care maximum. We want more money, want better pay. We want more money. We work hard, we want more money. Can't take the stress, we want more money. Hey boss boy, get to youths, want career opportunity. With these paychecks, we can raise a family. This a system, yeah, it's set up for fail we. Got all policemen a live off a bribery. But give me some quality jobs on the island, so me little son can look up to I man. Want better pay in a the service sector. Hey you politicians, stop sell out Jamaica. We want more money, we deserve better pay. The price of the things them a rise every day. The bills are coming, me life it hard. The money we a make can't even feed dog. We want more money, want better pay. We want more money. We work hard, we want more money. Can't take the stress, we want more money. Hey boss boy, investors come in and a look cheap labor. For them little pay ya, them want a if it's slave for hard work. And we got maga pocket while them rip and run off. And them gone with the profits, the paycheck. Can't even pay the bus fare every day. We feel the pressure and them don't care. Get our youths, come make we take back Jamaica. You know see say, I pay Columbus, they bout ya. We want more money, want better pay. We want more money. We work hard, we want more money. Can't take the stress, we want more money. Hey boss boy, we want more money. Want better pay, we want more money. We work hard, we want more money. Can't take the stress, we want more money. Hey boss boy, get the youths, want career opportunity. With these paychecks, we can raise a family. This a system, yeah, it's set up for fail we. Got all policemen a live off a bribery. But give me some quality jobs on the island, so me little son can look up to I man. Want better pay in a the service sector. Hey you politicians, stop sell out Jamaica. Money, I feel live off of them a little pay ya. Man I work hard and things I get harder. All them a price everything like in America. When the paycheck no big like in America. Me youths a go to school and the school's fees they pay for. They won't make when them graduate. How come things don't get better? We get up every day, I pay killing and murder. Yo, we want a reason, something to live for. Jamaica.
Yes, the man like Phorein, conscious lyrics, conscious vibes continues like this.
Yeah. Well, you don't know, so life is too short to sit down and murmur, you know. So I just take what I got and run with it. Always having fun, you see it. Always a smile on my face, it don't matter, you know. Now everything up, now everything up. Me there you know, me just a full joy in my life. My pocket it broke, but everything up. Me there you still, I got a full joy in my life. Now everything up, now everything up. Me there you know, me just a full joy in my life. My pocket it broke, but everything up. Me there you know, me just a full joy in my life. Up there, party going on and everyone is having fun. Now deal with no violence, let's go down the guns. I coulda Sunday, Monday morning, me dead the same way. Party till forever, that's how we play. And even though I drink and junk and have crazy fun, we work hard from morning till evening. So when you see us sipping champagne, don't ask I how come. Cause we gonna live this life before it's all done. Everything up, now everything up. Me there you know, me just a full joy in my life. My pocket it broke, but everything up. Me there you know, I got a full joy in my life. Now everything up, now everything up. Me there you know, me just a full joy in my life. My pocket it broke, but everything up. Me there you know, I got a full joy in my life. Well, we make the money work, money can't work we. Not afraid to spend it like it grow up on tree. But even if I'm broke, you will never see I stuck. Jerry Kid at the bar, you know the vibes turn up. Always happy, never sad, we not weird, no screw face. Quick fi make peace, I say love over. Yeah, the party upside down, look how the liquor and waste. Party till a morning, no guy can shut down we place. I say we don't drive around and look for guys to kill. We look for girls to party and chill. And it's no good to go to the party and start a war. It's best to have fun and buy out the bar. But we say party responsible and have lots of fun. Get yourself a designated driver so we can party longer. And if you're riding a bike or a girl you meet tonight, I say protect your head. Now everything up, now everything up. Me there you know, me just a full joy in my life. My pocket it broke, but everything up. me there still. I got the full joy in my life. Know everything up, know everything up. Me there now, me just a full joy in my life. My pocket it broke, but everything up. Me there still. I got the full joy in my life. Well, the party going on and everyone is having fun. Now deal with no violence, let's put down the guns. I coulda Sunday, Monday morning, me dead the same way. Party till forever, that's all we play. And even though we drink and drunk and have crazy fun, we work hard from morning till evening. So when you see us sipping champagne, don't ask I how come. Cause we gonna live this life before it's all everything up, no everything up. We there now, we just a full joy we life. My pocket it broke, but everything up. Me there still, I got the full joy in my life. No everything up, no everything up. Me there now.
Yes, the man himself, Phorein. We'll have more from him during the week. In the meantime, it's going over to the man like the masterclass, Lieutenant Stitchie.
Good evening. And in the headlines today, V8 is mashing up the airwaves with some fresh new world reggae flavors. People around the globe are reporting a feeling of delight when listening to the show based in Teesside in the north of England. Even I, personally, like to kick back and tune into the show. So let's take a look and see what all the hype is about. As you can see, the studio is full of ganja smoke, and the tunes are truly pure fire.
Yes, V8 back in the house, back in the place.
The DJ, known as V8, is kicking out tune after tune and dub after dub. Broadcasting on Spreaker.com, TS1 Reggae Radio is catering for the real reggae music lovers, dancehall massive and all the people from the gully side known as Middlesbrough.
I love to tune into the show. Very, very hot like Vindaloo.
When it's on, I make sure I roll a fatty, put my feet up, and chill out with a nice caramel from my local takeaway.
Even across the Atlantic, TS1 is gaining a lot of fans.
I listen to V8 all the time from America. Loving like sweet candy. TS1 is so cool. My friends call me the Dandetta because I'm up to date with all the dance-off flavors.
Mary Jane reporting, back to the studio.
This is Sugar Bear representing for TS1 Reggae Radio, Middlesbrough. Look out for Reggae Fest Part 2. It's gonna be live. Yo, hey!
Taking them back to school. Stitchie, S-T-I-T-C-H-I-E. Jump, jump, jump. S-T-I-T-C-H-I-E. Jump, jump, jump. S-T-I-T-C-H-I-E. Ready my roll and from them hear me don't advise them know me. I was make the truth, me I go tell them the things were right. Don't you worry, just be happy, don't be sorry. Kill the stress and all the rest. I try for heavy you down tonight. Kick off the shoes, forget the blues and all the sadness in the news and all the excuse to prevent you from jump tonight. Look at the phone and jump around and hear a smile up on your face. Confuse the enemy, then you know that I give you the fight. Who there? Let me hear you on the top of your voice. Jump, jump. Who there?
Let's get ready to rumble.
Taking them back to school. Stitchie, S-T-I-T-C-H-I-E. Jump, jump, jump. S-T-I-T-C-H-I-E. Jump, jump, jump. S-T-I-T-C-H-I-E. Ready my roll and from them hear me don't advise them know me. I was make the truth, me I go tell them the things were right. Don't you worry, just be happy, don't be sorry. Kill the stress and all the rest. I try for heavy you down tonight. Kick off the shoes, forget the blues and all the sadness in the news and all the excuse to prevent you from jump tonight. Look at the phone and jump around and hear a smile up on your face. Confuse the enemy, then you know that I give you the fight. Who there? Let me hear you on the top of your voice. Jump, jump. Who there? Wanna hear you make some noise. Jump, jump. Who there? You got a lot of reasons to rejoice. Jump. Make a joyful noise all day and be happy for life. Jump, jump, jump. Push you on them in the ear to your maker. Push it up and let them see say you're no faker. Beat the drum or if you have tambourine. Do it all with gladness, bust a sweat on this scene. Tell the person beside you, excuse you. Cause the music that you hear it just a move. You need space, cause the rhythm you a groove. The monkey that you carry by your back, it just lose you. Let me hear you on the top of your voice. Wanna hear you make some noise.
Reggae music from around the world. TS1 on Streetford.com.
Reasons to rejoice. Make a joyful noise all day and be happy for life. Welcome the weekend, time to kick back and rewind. Don't confuse this, just a small glass of red wine. Veggie salads and a few slices of sweet pine. Then me unplug my phone line and recline. Wanna be just by all myself alone. Ring. Never even turn off my cell phone. One of my friends send me a text, and what happened next? Me find myself a jump on Express. Let me hear you on the top of your voice.
V8 is dropping some sweet reggae TS1 Radio.
You got a lot of reasons to rejoice. Make a joyful noise all day and be happy for life. Ready my roll and from them hear me tone of voice. They know me, I must speak the truth. Me, I go tell them the things were right. Don't you worry, just be happy, don't be sorry. Kill the stress and all the rest. You try for heavy, you down tonight. Kick off the shoes, forget the blues and all the sadness in the news and all the issues to prevent you from jump tonight. Look at the phone and jump around and hear a smile up on your face. Confuse the enemy, then you know that I give you the fight. Let me hear you on the top of your voice. Wanna hear you make some noise. You got a lot of reasons to rejoice. Make a joyful noise all day and be happy for life. Fast and furious, yeah. 30 pound of boots and fully turbocharged and double night truck. Stitchie destroyed. Accelerate. Not even use no intro. Yeah, show up. I'm a Shia God and me go show you who rule ya. 4 minutes me gon' hook and I late the fool ya. Bullets like a German, you got the Bible and me cool ya. Secret info.
Oh my days.
Fast and furious, yeah. 30 pound of boots and fully turbocharged and double night truck. Stitchie destroyed. Accelerate. Not even use no intro. Yeah, show up. I'm a Shia God and me go show you who rule ya. 4 minutes me gon' hook and I late the fool ya. Bullets like a German, you got the Bible and me cool ya. Secret info and you like WikiLeaks. We cool you before 1, 2, 3. Tell them the battle is over. Body cool like ice, like the white cliffs of Dover. The battle is the Lord Stitchie is no pushover. You drunk, you have hangover. Bang, bang. You know she said that the thing no normal. You know she says the cheating no normal. Bang, bang. You know she says the cheating no normal. You know she says the cheating no normal. Check it up the skills. No she said that the thing no normal. You know she said that the thing no normal. A little bit higher. No she said that the thing no normal. You know she says the cheating no normal. Calm down. No repentance in the grave, I will repeat 10 times. If I read him, you're done, just press or click rewind. On the chorus, I will not repeat one more time. Written in inverted commas, red ink underline. I say Yahweh, me bless your name every time. Forgive me cause me not repeat the punchline. People hum the chorus and bear this in mind. Season for everything to kill stones. The bad one, me no need because I'm same line. The word I got me use and beat them, put them in a line. I rebuke your demonic behavior, stay behind. You evil lust tongue and your jawbone divine. You're a little uncircumcised Philistine. Full of demon, one go drown yourself as he like this wine. No medication, no day of the cure your bad mind. And no some God met you but over time you redesign plastic surgery. Can't help Frankenstein to reflect all your image. The mirror them decline. Your picture of ugliness gone viral online. I dare you to ugly just one more time. Pause, 20 bars gone. Where you wait for punchline? You remember when me tell you something at the third line? Lyrics abuse and refuse you like Solomon count your mind. Me use me lyrics drown you like flooding and no time. Me vocabulary large, me choice around them is divine. No apology for that, God make me bright like sunshine. After me tell it off you bright and can't read me line. Illiteracy that has something we follow your bloodline. Nothing I want for you, no wonders, no sign. You know have no connection to the true vine. You notice how me lyrics them craftily design. I feel shame hypocrite like you have a front line. I'm anointed by the king, your devil pick me, you no kind. Me argument go through your vertebra, reach your spine, then me cramp and paralyze your whole waistline. Your central nervous system me flatline. Hold on the punchline fi drop ya so one more time. But me change my mind the second and third verse me come back. Stand up there with the miracle